And good afternoon. What you're looking at right now is a large area of low pressure over the Great Lakes region. That's pushing that rain over central and eastern Pennsylvania. And that's why we're bringing you this update, because we haven't seen much of this in the last couple of months. And it looks like we could get a real nice soaking rain here this afternoon. So we're going to let you know what's going on, and also an update on the air quality, which is also interesting. But let's first of all go back to the boards and show you there's that large low. And notice the shower activity is coming up from the south, rather than pushing in from the northwest like we typically would see with our cold fronts. We zoom in on that and you can see the motion of all the rain. And yes, the yellows, the oranges, those are some downpours, and they're going to be moving through as well. I'm going to go ahead and put it on the nowcast. Look at that. Much needed rain. Let's go ahead and zoom in on the Wyoming Valley. Just beginning to reach our backyard. We have some sprinkles out there, but if you look just west of Dallas, those are some downpours coming down there. And if you look upstream, I know we're going south, but everything is moving north, so this is heading in our direction. There you go. Bloomsburg, get ready. You're about to deal with another downpour. Berwick's dealing with one right now. Whitehaven, Lehighton just had a downpour, and Jim Thorpe, that's on the way to you. So is Mahanoy City, some downpours there. And we come down into Reading. You can see all of that is going to be heading north here in just a little bit. I want to zoom over just west of Tower City. Moving up into Snyder, Northumberland counties, we're going to have some downpours there. And just back out here real quick, we've got a couple more out in central Pennsylvania. Again, nothing severe. We don't have any watches or warnings posted. Click on the map here, and there we go. If there were any watches or warnings posted, they would be posted right there on the map. But I just want to go back down here to our southern tier, and there's Pottsville right in the center of your map. You can see northwest corner. Here's a live view from Pottsville. And that's what we have, just some moderate rain coming down there. Now that rain may pick up in intensity as we move through the afternoon, and I believe it will, especially over eastern Pennsylvania. You can see the timing there. So you want the umbrella on that ride home. And yes, the potential for a few storms are there. I'm not expecting anything widespread, but that potential is there. And then, as you see, by midnight, 1 o'clock, everything is pretty much wrapped up. Possibility for rainfall this afternoon and this evening, anywhere from about a ½ inch of rain to as much as maybe 1.5 inches, maybe even as much as 2 inches of rain by the time it's all said and done. We shall keep you posted on that. So have the umbrella ready to go. Rain will be heavy at times. And again, we already topped out at our high temperature. We were near 80 degrees. Now we're going to be coming down with that rain-cooled air as we move through the afternoon. Now, last thing I want to mention is the air quality. And there's a live view from Scranton. Just the light rain coming down, but the 1 o'clock reading that I just took, look at that, very interesting. It's up now to 84. That's up from this morning, so we're going to continue to keep an eye on that. That's moderate, getting close to that orange level. So when we talk about those levels, you want to be very aware of where you are, because especially when you start getting up into the hazardous levels, that's when you can really run into some problems. So, all right, just to recap once again, we're looking at temperatures today, topping out in the upper 70s, lower 80s, a couple of showers, maybe a few thunderstorms around, but we're bringing you this update because we haven't seen much of this, and it looks like we may get a nice steady rain through the afternoon and evening. So hopefully you do. Hang on to that umbrella. You'll need it again this week, especially on Wednesday.